yeah.
Oh, there's May's puppies they'll be 3 weeks old tomorrow. This is Friday, the 18th of February. And they are really moving now. Oh, and talking. Huh? Talking away. Where you going, sweetie? Go find Desi. Go get him, Des. Look at him go. Ooh. Look at them all going. Where's the other little boy? Oh, it's chasing Desi. Go back now. Nope, roly-poly. Their legs are so strong now. Where's this baby going? There you go. We see you. Where did they go? Heading towards Jeremy? Desi, go play with the babies. I know. Go find Desi. Oh, look at you go. Go find Desi. Good boy, Des. You catch him.